2017 Toyota 86. The Toyota 86 provides an explosive driving experience. The power and suspension will remind you that you're behind the wheel of a true sports car. Not only does the exterior supply a bold look, but the interior will remind you that you're sitting in a premium vehicle. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. Come take a test drive today.